Hello guys, today we are going to make a very underrated Chinese recipe, orange chicken. This chicken is so crunchy and the sauce is so tasty, you'll never ever forget this chicken, man. These are the ingredients you'll need for the marination. And these are the ingredients you'll need for the sauce. It's one of the tastiest Chinese sauce you'll ever eat, man. It's so delicious. Let's get to it then. In half a chicken, I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of corn flour or cornstarch. Add salt to taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon, then 1.5 cups of water. Mix it very well and keep it aside for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now on a medium flame, set your oil. Make sure it is hot before adding the chicken. Now add the chicken. So basically we are going to fry it twice. For the first fry, we are going to fry it on a slow flame, and on a second fry, we are going to fry it on a high flame. You can see the results for the first fry. This is what we are looking for the first fry. Do it for all the chicken. Meanwhile, we will toast our sesame seeds. Toast them until they are little bit brown in color. So for the second fry, we'll dip the chicken in the remaining marination and fry it again. So frying it second time helps in two things. Firstly, it makes the chicken more crispier and it removes the excessive oil in the chicken. We are looking for something like this. So after frying all the chicken, we start making a sauce. So first I am making the corn flour slurry. For this, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour into 2 tablespoons of water. It should be cold water. So on a hot pan or wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add finely chopped garlic and ginger. Cook it till it's little bit translucent. Now I'm adding chili flakes. Now I'm adding my jaggery into it. So adding the jaggery into it makes it even more delicious. Now add sugar into it. You'll never taste chicken like this, man. Now I'm adding orange juice and vinegar into it. Now I'm adding soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Now add the corn flour slurry which we have prepared. So look the consistency of the sauce. After cooking it for about 10 minutes, we can achieve this consistency. Now I'm adding the chicken into it. Quickly toss the chicken into your sauce. And add the sesame seeds which we have toasted earlier. Trust me guys, it is the best Chinese recipe you haven't tried yet, man. You should try this, man. If you already have tried this, you should try this particular recipe. So subscribe to my channel, man, and see you in the next video.